Chapter 33 is our next discussion. It's on employment opportunities, equal employment opportunities. This topic dovetails into the prior chapter's discussion on how businesses work with government, state, and federal agencies. And here the textbook provides sufficient detail for you, but I will provide a few points for guidance. One matter that this chapter applies much to is human resources. A large amount of litigation surrounds this area for medium to large size employers. Indeed, in HR, you'll likely find an EEOC specialist working in your own department for large sized employers. One concern to address here is the nature of reasonable accommodation to workers who hold sincere religious beliefs. A general overview in this area may not work. Indeed, the approach is to review cases or case by case to then ferret out any standards or burdens that your company may have. The reason is that the cases themselves have great variety, and thus precedent from prior decisions by the courts is that track to follow, not some general application or rule of thumb. Another concern lies in discrimination regarding gender, which I expect employers will see more law coming in the next decade. However, here's a matter that will guide you. No matter what the area or concern, whether it is reasonable accommodation for religious beliefs or religious belief discrimination or discrimination regarding gender, the court's basic test is always whether it's a hostile work environment. For example, when the court faces questions of quid pro quo for sexual discrimination or discrimination based on race, religion, national origin, any form of EEOC violation, two basic areas or overarching tests generally are: one, was there specific hostility permitted by the employer or by the employer? And two, what was not done by the employer? For example, did the employer not hire or promote a woman otherwise qualified while men were promoted? So this latter standard may be shown by direct evidence of specific hostility, but more than likely it'll be shown by statistics. For example, statistical data would show a company overall does not hire or promote women. In other words, there was a pattern and practice of discriminatory or hostile behavior. As to companies' defenses, though, we're going to look for four types, but be cautious. Each must be verifiably correct, verifiable in fact. First, on page 17, the slide mentions a business necessity. And even though a business necessity arises, for instance, the corporation says, here's our reason for our discriminatory practice, the defense must be not only real, but substantial, and it cannot be a pretext or a made-up reason to then discriminate.